Good day everyone. Today we will begin our module on welcoming the guests and taking orders, one of the most important tasks in food and beverage services. So first, we started the day to checking attendance of our trainee. After they finish the attendance, and after that, I will discuss all about food and beverage and C2. Why is welcoming the guest important? Because the moment the guest enters the restaurant, they already start a forming expression, a warm respect, and the professional greeting can set the tone for their entire dining experience. You are the first representative of the establishment that they meet. When the guests arrive, it is important to acknowledge them immediately. This means greeting them within 10 to 15 seconds of entering. If the restaurant is busy, make eye contact and say, "I'll be right with you. Thank you for waiting." Second, reservation confirmation must be done politely. Like asked, "Do you have any reservation? May I have your name, please? Let me confirm your reservation details." Here is the demonstration showing how to greet guests with reservation, guests without reservation, and guests with special request. And observe the tone, politeness, and how the server confirms reservation detail accurately. After that, I demonstrate all for the trainees. They will be having a role play, and the scenario will include guests and prior reservation, walk-in guests, first-time guests, and guests with special requests. So they will form a group, one server, one guest, and one observation, and that's the trainer. Switch roles so everyone can practice. So the trainee will start to perform role play activity. So I'll be guiding them while checking the form assessment sheet if they follow the guidelines. Great effort everyone. I notice improvement in your greetings and posture. Remember to always confirm reservation details and clearly and professionally.